IFE as an elevator company is keeping its product and quality up to standard. After joining the WTO, China has opened its doors to look for innovations and the advancement of technology. In 20 years, IFE Elevators has achieved great success not only in China, but almost around the world. In 2006, IFE has exported the first elevator to Singapore. Today, IFE Elevators has become the largest elevator supplier for Singapore Housing Development Bureau, HDB. So far, it has provided over 6,000 units of elevator and escalator units all over Singapore alone.
In Singapore, you will find big elevator companies from all over the world. So likewise, of course, IFE is just one of them, not just from the product quality and also on the service, because they demand the best of the best.
At the same time, IFE Overseas Sales Network has spread to Australia, Philippines, Indonesia, and other countries. We were able to establish branches in the Middle East and South Asia. In 2013, we've introduced our products to Africa, South America, Russia, CIS, and others. We are now establishing global sales and service network. At present, our products have been serving people in 33 countries and over 600 cities. For the last 5 consecutive years, IFE has been recognized and given the Award of Excellence for the Best Chinese Exported Brand. In 2015, IFE was elected as the main elevator supplier of the Chinese government for all of its overseas projects.